AI already sits inside your daily apps. Traffic-aware navigation, spam filters, camera enhancements, and assistants that summarize meetings. But what is AI really, without the buzzwords? Artificial intelligence is an umbrella term for techniques that let computers do tasks we associate with human intelligence, like understanding language, recognizing patterns, making predictions, and generating content. And most AI today is narrow, great at one specific job, not general human-level intelligence. You'll usually hear AI described in 3 buckets. 1. Rules and heuristics. Explicit, if this, then that. Transparent, but brittle. 2. Machine learning learns patterns from examples to predict or decide, like spam or not spam. 3. Generative AI creates new content like text or images based on patterns and your prompt. Not everything is AI. Plain automation is a script that blindly follows steps without adapting to new inputs. In real products, it's often a mix. AI decides, automation executes. Here's the practical pipeline from question to impact. Frame the question and define what good means with a few concrete metrics. Collect and prepare data. Choose an approach. Rules, classic ML, deep learning, or ALLM, with retrieval for up-to-date facts. Then evaluate. Deploy where users already work, and monitor errors, drift, latency, cost, and feedback. AI can help across industries: healthcare, finance, education, and customer service. But the key is measuring outcomes people can feel. Examples: in healthcare, time to read for urgent scans. In finance, fraud losses avoided and false positives. In support, time saved and customer satisfaction. Benefits are real: speed and scale, consistency, personalization, and decision support. But plan for limits. Generative AI can hallucinate. Fluent but wrong. Data quality and bias matter. Privacy and IP matter. And large models can be costly or slow. For high-stakes decisions, keep humans in the loop. Want quick intuition? Try 2 mini labs. Summarize your own notes into beginner bullets. Then rewrite in a friendlier tone, or label 20 real messages into categories and compare accuracy and time saved. AI works best when you pair a clear goal, quality inputs, and real evaluation, then monitor it like a product, not a demo. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz YouTube channel. It really helps us grow.